I grew up without my mother and vane vamwe vana vavo. So the thing is, she started texting me and calling me when I got married, only if she wanted money. But all this time before marriage, she would just ask me for kana vasida kuti vandiratidze kuhama dzekwavakaroorwa. I tried by all means to create a bond navo, but I have failed. All she does is to insult me, texting me that she is not my mother and I should go and look for my own mother. I'm evil and a lot. She even told my hubby that I am evil, but there is nothing evil that I've done to her. If she comes to my house, I treat her so nice. But I don't know kutichi, so I decided to take my little sister, my mom's daughter, ndikamtsvagira basa, so she can help mom, since my hubby is the breadwinner kumba kwavo, plus my bills and fees, that's too much for him. I also have tried giving my mom some money, around $200 for some time, thinking she could start a business of her own because she's 41, but vanoidya yese. So now she's sending messages to my hubby vachimukumbira mari. Apa the little sister I took, she's giving me problems, and the last time mom insulted me, calling me all sort of names after I asked their daughter why she sent my husband pics, and the bad part was that those pics were inappropriate and arikuita zvekubata mushonga. Now I don't know what to do, guys. What can I do?